Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, as we know, Fendi has just launched their 25th anniversary collection for Fendi Baguette. So I'm happy to share all the new Fendi bags that walk the runway, and I'm so excited to share them to you guys. So hope you enjoy our episode for today. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about the latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So just to share guys, as everyone knows, the 25th anniversary of Fendi Baguette, Fendi has collaborated with the genius fashion designer MARC JACOBS. So he's going to design ready-to-wear and of course his version of the famous Fendi Baguette, just like what he is holding right now. As you can see, it's very reminiscent of the MARC JACOBS tote bag. Alright, so let's start with this very beautiful Fendi Baguette here. So let's just concentrate first with the Zuka print version. As you can see, this is made of canvas with Fendi monogram logo. And what I super love about this one, it is super embellished. If I'm not mistaken, these are genuine Swarovski crystals, in which it looks very chic. And again, I'm guessing that the price would be around 4,000 to 5,000 USD once it comes out. So here is a closer look of this very beautiful Fendi Baguette bag. Next, what we have here is a collaboration between Fendi and Tiffany. So as you can see, it's in Tiffany blue color, and this one is made of mock croc. So I'm not sure if it's mock croc or genuine crocodile leather, but have you seen the tiny Tiffany silver hardware on the right side of the Fendi Baguette? So here we have Bella Hadid wearing the Fendi x Tiffany collaboration. So here is another look of the very beautiful color of this collab. Here we have more of the Fendi x Tiffany collaboration. How beautiful is this Fendi color? I'm not really sure if this is genuine leather or a satin finish Fendi baguettes, but still looks very good. This one is their version of the Nano Fendi Baguette bag. Super cute. I love that they are maintaining a giant Fendi logo on a very small and cute Nano Baguette. Super cute guys. What do you think also of the top handle? So more of the Tiffany X collab. As you can see, the Tiffany blue is very prominent, and actually this cow print leather type of Fendi Baguette, this is very reminiscent of their vintage Fendi Baguette that I'm actually eyeing on the pre-love market. So aside from the Fendi Baguette, this is the only bag that is not a Fendi Baguette. So it's a sunshine tote but has a carrier for your Fendi Baguette. What do you think guys? So here is one version carried by Linda Evangelista. Here is how it walked the runway. Although guys, I would be honest with this one, it looks good, but I think it would not stand up if, for example, you would be sitting down. It would topple over because the weight of Fendi Baguette on one side. Now let us move on to the Utilitarian Fendi Baguette. So this is the first one. This actually looks nice. It can be worn as a shoulder bag and as a belt bag as well. As you can see, it has little tiny pockets that looks tiny or micro Fendi Baguette bag. Super cute and very functional as well. So you have multi pockets that you could use for all of the essentials that you need. So here we have another Fendi Baguette here. I love the charms guys. I love the charms. So later I'm going to show you more. So aside from baguette, so we have here socks that has Fendi Baguette. How cute are these? My question is, are the Fendi Baguettes detachable or is it fixed with the socks? So here we have another ready to wear that has a waistband that has a Fendi Baguette. So I'm not really sure if this is part of a dress or the waistband is fully detachable. So the Fendi Baguette here, I believe, is part of the ready-to-wear wherein you are going to insert your hands during winter, so it would not feel very cold during this very cold months. So here we have Fendi Baguettes attached to the cap, as worn here by this very beautiful model. What do you think of this one, guys? It's a yay or a nay? So we have here close-up look of more utilitarian Fendi Baguette here. So I'm zooming in to the black version wherein it has several mini baguette pockets. Here we have more of the socks that has Fendi Baguette attached to it. So again, I'm just praying that the Nano Fendi Baguette is fully detachable. Another version in black. What do you think of the shoes, guys? So clogs are apparently coming back in style. I'm not really sure. I'm not a fan of clog style. So here we have Fendi Baguette that has actually it has different materials sewn together. So more Fendi Baguettes in different materials. So we have the Zucca print, and are you guys seeing that very furry neon highlighter green Fendi Baguettes? What do you think? So we have here Fendi Baguette made of fur. So this style of Fendi Baguette is different and something new, as you are going to see on the handle. The word baguette is written. So here we have a close-up here. So plus, look at the beadwork of this beautiful Fendi Baguette bag. Very reminiscent of the 90s Fendi Baguette that Carrie Bradshaw wore. So I'm not sure if everyone has noticed this on the runway, but I am zooming in to the belt bag of this model because OMG guys, it looks very chic and very luxurious, and it's encrusted in crystals. So we have here another different type of Fendi bags. Again, if I'm not mistaken, this is 100% designed by MARC JACOBS because it's made of canvas, and we are going to see the print of Fendi Baguette written down at the entirety of the bag. So here I have more close-up look for you guys. What do you think? I'm not a fan of canvas. I wish they would be coming up with a leather version of this one. You're going to see the baguettes. So we have here a new style of the Fendi Baguette. So this one, the size is a little bit bigger compared to the medium size. Plus, what do you think guys of the word Baguette Fendi Roma written at the front of the bag? Plus guys, are you noticing the ribbon? Here we have another close-up look. So there's the ribbon on one side. So again, the writing of the Baguette Fendi Roma in front. And then we have a nano version with a top handle. The top handle is definitely new. So now let us move on to the beaded Fendi Baguette. So what we have here are the sequin Fendi Baguette in mini and medium size. So this one is very reminiscent of the 90s Fendi Baguette. The only difference is that the top handle is fully detachable. Just like this one, again, very reminiscent of the 90s vintage Fendi Baguette. It's very different because, again, it's now the modern version. It comes with 2-strap top handle and a crossbody strap. This one, super love this one. Actually, I'm eyeing this exact same version of Fendi Baguette at the pre-love markets. Look at the Tiffany Fendi Baguette nano bag charm. Super cute. I need that one. So guys, another version of the 90s Fendi Baguette is this black beaded Fendi Baguette. Again, I'm actually eyeing this one on the pre-love market. I saw a couple of one, and guys, stay tuned because I have an update with my Fendi Baguette collection. Now guys, look at this very cute, teeny tiny, nano, micro Fendi baguette. I need one of these in my collection now. So we have here a Fendi baguette that is worn by Carrie Bradshaw. I feel it's the exact same version, and this is what I also wanted to be part and want to own someday. Love this chartreuse colored metallic sequin Fendi baguette bag. So again, comes in the mini size, come in the medium size. I've tried the gold version and OMG, I'm super in love with sequin Fendi baguette. How about this sequin Fendi baguette bag in red? Super cute. So this one, the size is mini because you are going to notice the shoulder strap is made of chain. So we have here Sarah Jessica Parker, also known as Carrie Bradshaw. She is one of the VVIP guests at the show. So look at her Fendi baguette bag. I'm just wishing that they have let Carrie Bradshaw walk the finale for the runway. So this is one of the Fendi baguette also I'm coveting. So it didn't walk the runway, so Kim Kardashian is wearing this. I'm not really sure if this was made exclusively for her, but just look at this teeny tiny Fendi baguette. It's very reminiscent again of the 90s Fendi baguette bag that I've seen on the pre-love market. Super love because it's crystal embellished. Need these in my collection. So here we have the front row guests at the Fendi fashion show. My prediction, guys, it did not come through. So Sarah Jessica Parker did not walk the fashion show. How sad. So here is the utilitarian close-up look of the Fendi baguette here. So this is in the yellow color. What do you think, guys, of the multi Fendi baguette pocket? We have supermodel Amber here. So with another new version of the Fendi baguette. If I'm not mistaken, this is part of the 25th anniversary of Fendi baguettes. So another look of the new Fendi baguette style designed by Marc Jacobs. Again, guys, please comment down below how you feel about the V baguette writing in front of the bag. Alright, so probably this is one of my most favorite Fendi baguette that walked the runway. So this one is owned by Marc Jacobs. As you could see, it is crystal embellished. It is super cute. So here I have another photo that walked the runway. Super nice. How fun it would be if you are going to have these two Fendi baguettes on your collection. If I would have these, then definitely I would achieve first piece. There, hope you enjoyed our episode for today, guys. So please comment down below among the Fendi baguettes that I've shown you for today, which one is your favorite. So guys, thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!